you ready to discover the amazing health benefits of cucumbers? These crunchy, refreshing vegetables are not only delicious and versatile in the kitchen, but also packed with nutrients that can help you look and feel your best. Join me as I challenge myself to eat only cucumbers for a week and see if I really can unlock all the amazing health benefits they have to offer. From boosting digestion to improving skin health, I'll be sharing my experience and the science behind it. So let's dive into the world of cucumbers and see what they can do for our bodies and minds. Cucumbers are a great source of hydration, which is essential for healthy skin. They are made up of 96% water and also contain essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium and magnesium. By consuming cucumbers, we can stay hydrated and nourished, leading to improved skin health and reduced signs of aging. I started my cucumber journey by incorporating them into my daily meals. I added sliced cucumbers to my salads, sandwiches and even smoothies. I was surprised by how refreshing and hydrating they were, especially during the hot summer days. It was a fun challenge to find new recipes and get creative with cucumbers. I discovered that they can be pickled, stuffed, or even used as a base for dips and spreads. As the week progressed, I began to notice some changes in my body. First, I had more energy and felt more alert throughout the day. This could be due to the high water content in cucumbers, which helps maintain optimal hydration levels for better physical performance. Additionally, cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients that support overall health and help protect against chronic diseases. Another benefit I experienced was improved digestion. Cucumbers are a great source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber content in cucumbers can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. I found that I had regular bowel movements throughout the week, which is an indication of good digestive health. One of the most significant benefits of cucumbers is their anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumbers contain compounds like triterpenes and flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs when the body is exposed to irritants or injuries, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems. By incorporating cucumbers into my diet, I was able to reduce inflammation and support my overall health. I also noticed improvements in my skin health. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C helps with collagen production, which is a protein that provides structure and support to the skin. As a result, I had fewer breakouts and my skin looked brighter and more radiant. While cucumbers are generally safe for consumption, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's important to wash them thoroughly before eating to remove any dirt or contaminants. Cucumbers can also interact with certain medications, including diuretics and blood pressure medications. If you have any medical conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. In conclusion, my 1-week cucumber challenge was a refreshing and enlightening experience. I discovered the numerous health benefits of cucumbers, including their hydrator, anti-inflammatory, and skin health benefits. By incorporating cucumbers into my daily diet, I was able to boost my energy levels, improve digestion and reduce inflammation. While it's not necessary to eat only cucumbers for a week to reap their benefits, I encourage you to add them to your meals and enjoy all the amazing health benefits they have to offer. Whether you prefer them raw or cooked, sliced or diced, cucumbers are a versatile ingredient that can add a refreshing and nutritious twist to any dish. So go ahead and give cucumbers a try. You may be surprised at how much you'll love them. And who knows, you might even discover some new health benefits along the way. Thank you for joining me on this cucumber journey. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the amazing health benefits of cucumbers as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay hydrated, eat your cucumbers, and embrace a healthier lifestyle.